Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you the best TradingView indicator strategy that you can use absolutely free. No premium or paid tools needed. We'll share a highly profitable buy and sell trading strategy. If you're searching for a reliable TradingView indicator that works effectively, then this video is for you. Are you ready to improve your market game? Do you want to enhance your trading strategies and boost your success rate? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we'll introduce a powerful tool that can help you achieve consistent results. The technical indicator we're about to present works exceptionally well on cryptocurrencies, Forex, and stocks, delivering outstanding results even on lower time frames. I hope you're learning new strategies daily and getting closer to becoming consistently profitable. You won't need any other indicators after this. I'll explain everything step by step, so be sure to watch the entire video. We'll keep this video concise and informative. Hopefully, you'll find this strategy useful. First, let's discuss the trading tools. The green and red line indicator visible on the chart is called the Setup 123 Scalper indicator. Now, let's understand how to trade using it. To begin, open a 2-hour chart. This strategy works well on higher time frames and is unique, something rarely discussed before. Let's go through the trading setup. Search for the Setup 123 Scalper indicator in TradingView's search box. Select it and apply it to your chart. Some minor setting adjustments are needed, which I'll explain. Now, let's learn how to use this indicator. A buy signal occurs when the scalping indicator gives a green line. A sell signal occurs when the scalping indicator gives a red line. Now, I'll show you some chart examples to illustrate how to trade with this indicator. When the scalping indicator gives a MACD bullish cross signal, the MA line turns green, and the market forms a bullish candle. This confirms our entry. In this case, we place a buy order. The stop loss is set at the green MA line, and the risk-to-reward ratio is 1-to-2. The trade successfully hits the target. Now let's look at the next position. When the scalping indicator gives a MACD bearish cross signal, the MA line turns red, and the market forms a bearish candle. This confirms our entry. Here, we place a sell order. The stop loss is set at the red MA line, and the risk-to-reward ratio is again 1-to. The trade successfully hits the target. I hope you find this trading setup and strategy useful. If not, don't worry. We'll go through more trade examples to ensure you fully understand. Here's another example. The scalping indicator gives a MACD bullish cross signal. The MA line turns green. The market forms a bullish candle, confirming the setup. Since all conditions are met, we place a buy order with the stop loss at the green MA line and a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. The trade moves into profit, and we successfully win the trade. Let's look at another trade. The scalping indicator gives a MACD bearish cross signal. The MA line turns red. The market forms a bearish candle, confirming the setup. Since all conditions are met, we place a sell order with the stop loss at the red MA line and a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. The trade Moves into profit, and we successfully win the trade. I hope you like this trading strategy. If you're new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.